Dacia Renault Logan, Sandero and Stepway cigarette lighter 12-volt front socket fuse replacement. Open the driver's door and look for the fuse box. Then open the fuse box cover using the key blade or a flat blade screwdriver. Insert the key through that small hole and remove the cover. You can find fuse box diagram in the video description below. Replace the 15 ampere fuse from the 33 position indicated with that red rectangular. You can find fuses assortment kit, standard and mini size, in the video description below. You can find the fuse puller on the cover. After you replace the fuse, you can put the cover back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.